Got you. Got you. Got you. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. Can't go anywhere. It's raining and it's cold. It's raining and it's cold. I wanted to show you guys what's going on, but it's raining. Alright. You can see from here tents being put up and stuff. But it's raining. I can't go outside. It's raining now. So guys, I have an early lunch today. Early lunch because we are going to be working at 1 o'clock on graduation stuff. So lunch is early. So yeah, I don't know. My stomach take the early lunch, but I had something to eat. I'm going to make me chat with it a little bit. Not enough. Because I'm soon going to relieve somebody else. We're going to take lunch. Yeah. So it's a busy day leading up to the weekend. But outside cool, man. Jesus. Oh, them say 60 something degrees. This morning they say 60 something, you know. If I saw 60 something feel, I don't want to feel it. Because it's cold and windy. And it's raining. It's raining, bunchy. Everybody busy. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Sorry about yesterday. I realize I can't come live every day. Sometimes I feel tired and drained. Yesterday I feel so tired. I just sit and relax. I could have do a sitting down live still, but sorry. So I'm showing you the greenery for today. I wanted to walk around, you know, because so many things happening, but the rain mess up my style. I'm gonna walk with the umbrella. Can't bother go back in and then come back out. I may do that at time for me. Come off a lunch break. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Welcome in. One buggy there. The little buggy riders. The little riders. So might as well I'm going to sort of sit down and chat to her because it's a rain. And I can't bother go outside. So it's too much rain. Too much rain. Too much rain. Let's sit and chat. So let's sit and chat. How are you all doing? It's a Thursday that looks like a Friday. It's a Thursday that looks like a Friday. Yeah. Yeah. It's a Thursday that looks like a Friday, guys. Welcome in. Like the live, share the live, comment. So, so what them say you can pin a comment? A long time I could have do that, and not today. YouTube will tell me something can pin a comment. Look at the trees behind me. I'm inside, guys, not outside. But there's a little tree thingy in the middle here, so I'm sure no. Like a tree in the middle of the building. Nice and green. A and C. I wish one I got there. Atrium. A and C is here. Welcome in, guys. How you all doing? It's raining on the outside, so I can't walk. Kind of drizzling. I would love, well, maybe after work, I'm going down there to see what I'm going with. Down by the river, where the graduation will be. There is no rain. Please welcome in and like the live, guys. I'm not understanding, no. I not understand the person's on. They're just looking. They're not doing a thing. In 10 minutes, I'm gone, cause it's a busy Thursday. How y'all doing? How your Thursday going? At the earliest, I ever eat lunch. I'm more breakfast than lunch. We're giving out cap and gown downstairs. Okay. Normally 112. How y'all doing, guys? It's Ben Johnson Day, Thursday. Ben Johnson Day. That's what they call it. I wonder why they say Ben Johnson Day at Thursday. Anybody know? Anybody can Google it and or know before and tell us why they call it Ben Johnson Day. Ben Johnson is a prominent person. I don't know why they call it Ben Johnson Day, but I have to Google it and come back with the answer for next time. Like up the live, guys. I can see over 14 persons on. What do Timu? So, when is the meet and greet again? July something is meet and greet with Auntie. Hi, good morning. In Queens. It's still morning. It's still morning, guys, so when you come and you're watching this live, please to like, share, and subscribe, and leave me a comment, okay? Because I have to go now. I can't stay too long, and it's raining on the outside, so I can't take you guys outside, okay? 19 people. I'm in ask no likes. So I'm gonna turn anti pan uno. I'm gonna look if outside. Outside stop rain. Hold on there. 19 people. Jesus. I'm in I get no likes. I see if it stop rain. Still a rain. So the birdie. Here's a green and nice. See? Look on the greens, guys. Not me. It's green and nice. Ooh, it's green and nice. Everything green and nice. When I came out here before, just a couple minutes ago, that little bloom never did open up so big. And now I come out and it open big. What a nature. Nature is awesome. See it? That little bloom right there. When I came before, if you watch back the live, you will see it. It was tiny. It was barely opening. And now it almost open wide. That's nature. Nature is awesome. Awesome. Nature is awesome. So guys, I'm going inside now. So take care and see you. I'm not so sure about tomorrow. Tomorrow is all day work. Barely gonna have any lunchtime. But anyways, if I do, I'll come. But if I don't, have a great weekend. Take care of yourself and your family. Alright, remember to pray, read your Bible and pray. Give God thanks, okay? Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.